Welcome back to Vibes and Ventures. We're diving into one of the simplest, most affordable, and most powerful foods for your gut health: oats. Oats are a breakfast staple, but did you know that how you prepare them can completely change their impact on your digestion, your gut bacteria, and even your energy levels? Oats are incredibly powerful for your gut, but the way you prepare them is the twist that matters. In this video, we're breaking down the best ways to eat oats for superior gut health, based on nutrition science and practical cooking methods. Let's get into it. First, let's explore why oats are so amazing for your gut health. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, resistant starch, and prebiotics that feed your good gut bacteria. They also contain slow-release carbohydrates and minerals like iron and zinc. These nutrients improve digestion, support bowel regularity, reduce inflammation, and stabilize your blood sugar. It's a complete gut health package. Now for the twist. Raw, unsoaked oats aren't always ideal. Let's look at the problems with eating them straight from the bag. Raw oats naturally contain phytic acid. This compound can block the absorption of vital minerals like iron and zinc, meaning your body absorbs fewer nutrients. Raw oats can also be harder to digest for some people, leading to bloating, gas, a feeling of heaviness, and slower digestion. So what's the solution? Soaking, cooking, or cooling? Method 1, and one of the best ways to support gut health, is making overnight oats. Soaking reduces phytic acid, softens the oats, makes minerals easier to absorb, and most importantly, increases resistant starch, which is incredible fuel for your gut bacteria. To make them, use rolled oats, add water, milk, or yogurt. Throw in chia seeds for extra fiber, and add fruit like berries. Let it sit for 8 to 12 hours for maximum gut benefit. Method 2 is the classic, comforting, and easy way: cooking your oats into warm porridge. Cooking breaks down tough fibers, making the oats much easier to digest and helping your body process the proteins better. It's warm and soothing on the stomach. To make gut-friendly cooked oats, use rolled or steel-cut oats, cook with water or milk, add cinnamon for digestion, and top with fruit and healthy fats like nuts or seeds. Just note that cooking reduces the resistant starch. Method 3 gives you the best of both worlds with a simple trick. Cook your oats, then let them cool completely before eating. When cooked oats cool down, a natural process called retrogradation happens. This reforms resistant starch, meaning your gut bacteria get even more fuel than freshly cooked oats. This method is perfect for meal prep, busy mornings, and anyone who wants both the comfort of a warm meal and maximum gut benefits. So what's the best way to eat oats? The truth is, there is no single perfect method. Each method has unique benefits. The ideal approach is to mix all three throughout the week. Your gut microbiome thrives on variety, not perfection. Finally, supercharge your oats by adding probiotics like yogurt, prebiotics like berries and chia seeds, and healthy fats like nuts. Remember to minimize added sugar, as it feeds the wrong gut bacteria. Try rotating these methods and notice the difference.